Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the climatic change. So till remaining portion means half of the chapters I have already uploaded the video regarding it. The remaining half of the chapter we are going to discuss now. Okay, so let us study about the climatic change. So if you have discussed the differences, मतलब आपके जो grandfathers है या फिर grandmothers है, so if you have talked with them, then definitely they tell you so many things that हमारे टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था and currently it is like that. Okay, so the same thing is in the case of climate. Okay, the climate during their generation was different and the climate in the current generation is different. So there is a difference in the experiences of the seasons with the elders. They will tell you many things about the changes that they feel in the intensity, in the duration, and the spell of the seasons. Now, currently, if you see, you can see that it rains anytime. Okay, the winter starts late. Even the rainfall in the rainy season, it starts late. Okay, so there are lots of changes in the atmosphere. So these are some of the observations which we do. Okay, we don't have any tool, we don't have any measurement type of instrument by which we can do the analysis. These are only the observations which we do, and based on our observations, we are just giving the raw data. Okay, changes in this similar pattern have been observed even at the global level. They may include changes in the arrival of the season, change in the rainfall frequency, quantity of the rainfall frequency, change in flowering, increase in the occurrence of floods, droughts. Okay, तो एक ही चीज से हम predict नहीं कर सकते in the case of climate. You have to see regarding the rainfall. अगर rainfall है तो कब आ रहा है? It is coming in the month of June या फिर July या फिर August. तो कितने intensity में आ रहा है? So उस साल what was the flood? How much water is means occupied. Okay, so all these things are going to tell us about the climatic change. So there are the frequent change in the pattern of the climate at the global level, and it is considered as the climate change. So there have been many instances where the climate patterns have shown a drastic change in their occurrence. So बहुत बार ऐसे हुआ है कि climate में बहुत ज़्यादा ही drastic change हुई है. So many a times it has happened. The IPCC, that is Intern Governmental Panel on Climate Change, have mentioned about it. So let us discuss them in detail. So the first thing is increase in the number of floods. Okay, तो नंबर फ्लड्स के जो नंबर्स है वो इंक्रीज हो चुके हैं और इंटेंसिटी भी इंक्रीज हो चुकी है. ओके, सो देयर हैज बीन इंक्रीज इन फ्लैश फ्लड. अभी फ्लैश फ्लड मतलब क्या? बहुत बार क्या होता है कि एक ही दिन में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश आती है. ओके, ट्रेमेंडस, इट रेन्स ट्रेमेंडस. सो सच टाइप ऑफ रेनफॉल विद इन वन डे, विद इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, अगर बहुत ज्यादा पानी लाती है, and because of that if a flood occurs, then it is called as flash flood. This has already taken place in Mumbai, it has already taken place in Kedarnath, we have seen it. Okay, so ये जो केदारनाथ का जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था वो क्यों हुआ था? कंटिन्यूअस बारिश थी एक दो दिन में, and within a day the game was done. Means it was tremendous heavy rainfall, because of that landslide और पूरा पानी पानी हो चुका था वहां पे. ओके, सो इवन इन द केस ऑफ मुंबई दिस हैज हैपेंड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इज फ्लैश फ्लड. सो दिस कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ वेरी हाई प्रेसिपिटेशन इन वन डे. तो एक ही दिन में अगर बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो गई, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इफ द फ्लड कम्स, इफ द साइक्लोन कम्स, so such type of thing is called as flash flood. So cyclones occurs in Chennai. Urban areas have seen more flash floods and coastal cities like Venice are facing flooding issue. तो इस तरीके के flood basically आप urban cities में ही देखोगे. Okay, let us move further to the next point, that is increase in the intensity of droughts and cyclones. तो अभी global warming is already increasing. ठीक है, so global warming could also increase the occurrence of the drought. Now, as a study is shown, the percentage of Earth's land area is undergoing a serious drought has doubled since 1970s. मतलब 1970s में जितने ड्रॉट्स होते थे उससे डबल ड्रॉट्स आज 2020 में आपको दिखेंगे या फिर 2021 में आपको दिखेंगे. मीन्स इट इज इंक्रीजिंग ट्रेमेंडसली. क्यों? क्योंकि अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है, एटमॉस्फेयर का जो टेम्परेचर है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज इंक्रीजिंग. The roots of both flood and drought lie in the physical process known as evaporation. तो evaporation की प्रोसेस सभी को पता है कि सन रेस के वजह से एटमॉस्फेयर का मॉइस्चर वो इवेपोरेट हो जाता है, ड्राई हो जाता है, या फिर पानी भी इवेपोरेट हो जाता है. सो व्हेन द because of high temperature, because of warmness, when the water gets converted into gaseous state, okay, and it goes up and starts the formation of cloud, then that process is called as evaporation process. So as global warming heats the world's ocean, the water molecules near the sea surface becomes more energetic and they start evaporating into the atmosphere readily. तो इससे क्या होता है कि अर्थ गेट्स मोर वाटर वेपर and this effects get stronger with each additional degree of warming. Similarly, the number of cyclones in a year has increased in the tropical region and also have their intensities. Okay, now let us move further with the third part. Third is carbon dioxide and crop yield. अभी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, ये सभी को पता है, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग नाइट द ट्रीज दे रिलीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वी इनहेल ऑक्सीजन, वी रिलीज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. बाहर आप जाओगे तो व्हीकल्स है, व्हीकल से भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होते हैं. देन वी हैव डिकम्पोजिशन प्रोसेस, उसी से भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होती है. इंडस्ट्रीज में अगर आप जाओगे वहां पे भी गैसेस रिलीज होते हैं. सो यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. एक सर्टेन लेवल पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज ओके इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, वो हमें अफेक्ट नहीं करेगी. व्हाट इज दैट लेवल? दैट विल सी इन दिस पॉइंट. ओके, सो द ग्राफ शोज इंक्रीजिंग लेवल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर in parts million. So how do you measure carbon dioxide? It is measured as parts per million. So increasing amount of CO2 in the air has an impact on health. It has an impact on climate, agriculture, air pollution and global warming. तो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बढ़ गया तो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट उसका किसके ऊपर होगा? हेल्थ के ऊपर होगा, ऑल दी ह्यूमन हेल्थ के ऊपर होगा, फिर क्लाइमेट के ऊपर होगा, on the agriculture also it will also cause air pollution, and after that it is going to result into a global warming. So according to WHO, that is World Health Organization, more than 350 per parts million CO2 is harmful in the environment. मतलब क्या? 350 ppm से कम CO2 is okay in the atmosphere, there is no problem in it, but if it exceeds above 350 ppm, then it is very harmful to all of us, to plants, to animals, to humans, everyone. So it has been observed that with more CO2 in the air, the crop yield has increased. Some areas in the colder climates have been brought under agriculture because of warming, and in some places amount and continuity of rainfall has increased. This in turn affects the crop yield. अभी कुछ ऐसे जगह है लाइक स्नो एरियाज है जहां पे एग्रीकल्चर इज नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल, लेकिन इन दोज कोल्डर एरियाज बिकॉज ऑफ CO2 कुछ लैंड सरफेस को अंडर एग्रीकल्चर ऑलरेडी कन्वर्ट किया है. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एंड बेनिफिट ऑफ CO2 बिकॉज ऑफ विच देर इज एन इंक्रीज इन द क्रॉप यील्ड. Now the next is rainforest and climate change. So studies say that the rainforest play a major role in cooling the earth. But in the moist tropics, the broad leaves of the rainforest canopy help trap moisture and allow it to slow and evaporate, providing a natural air cooling effect. And when rainforests are slashed and burned over large areas, hotter and drier conditions are set in, and when these forests are burned, they release huge amount of carbon dioxide, adding to the atmosphere's load. That is, deforestation at a larger scale has also been reported to alter the rainfall pattern and the amount of precipitation. अभी रेन फॉरेस्ट के बारे में सभी को पता है. ओके, सो रेन फॉरेस्ट इज अ फॉरेस्ट विच हैज लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हैबिटेट ऑफ स्पीशीज ऑफ एनिमल्स, इंसेक्ट्स एज वेल एज ट्रीज. ठीक है, लेकिन व्हेन देयर इज सम वाइल्ड फायर या फिर कुछ रेन फॉरेस्ट अगर बर्न होता है या फिर स्लैश होता है, so during that time a large amount of hot dry air along with huge amount of carbon dioxide is released in the atmosphere. ठीक है, so उससे भी क्या होता है, CO2 का जो amount है, it rises above 350 ppm. okay, so that is also a biggest thing which may alter the climate change. Next is deforestation. So even large scale में अगर आप deforestation करोगे, then too it is going to increase the amount of CO2. okay, so these are all the climate change causes which we have seen. okay, it is related to climate change. So we have seen increase in the number of intensity of floods. We have discussed about increase in the number of intensity of droughts and cyclones, along with the carbon dioxide and crop yields and rainforest and climatic change. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में मैंने क्या बोला, जहाँ पे भी बहुत कोल्ड क्लाइमेट है वहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन अगर CO2 का यूज आप वहाँ पे करोगे, then what will happen, the atmosphere, the temperature is going to increase. तो उसका जो लो टेम्परेचर है उसका इफेक्ट कम होगा, वहाँ का स्नोफॉल कम होगा, and the exposure of ground will take place and agriculture can be carried out. okay, so even it increase the amount of crop yield. So this is all about this topic. The next topic is causes of climatic change that we'll be discussing in the next video. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.